Welcome back, everyone. Today we are hitting obliques. I hope you're as excited as I am. Just a quick reminder, we do have the June calendar available in the description box down below. This month of June, you can get every single day's exercises so you can be prepared, print it out, keep it around you, put it on your phone, whatever you have to do to stay consistent. All right, guys, let's get into this obliques workout. Starting off with corkscrews. For this exercise, lie flat on your back, bring your legs up above you, hands come down to your sides, and you are going to lift your lower body off the ground using your abs. Remember, you guys, get into a nice breathing rhythm. Try not to bring your legs too far forward so that you don't lose your balance and kind of tumble over. You just want to keep them nice and steady, up and down, up and down. We've got 20 here. Moving into sprinter sit-ups. For this exercise, go ahead and lie all the way down. Legs come down to the mat, and we are going to sit up and bring that leg into a sprinting motion. So knee comes tucked up. I like to take my opposite arm and take it towards the opposite foot that's coming in towards you. So knee is getting tucked up, arm is going out as if you were running, but just extend your arm a little bit longer so that you can kind of touch that foot if you wanted to. We've got 20 here.
You've never been before, 'cause we know we're gonna live forever. So let's make love, love, love until the sun comes up. 'Cause we both know that this love is magic. If there's something I could do to get you right here in my bed, I would die 100 times to make you get out of my head. You're the happy.
Alrighty, come off the mat and come into the plank position. We're going to do some mountain climbers. For this exercise, go ahead and assume the plank position. Arms are extended out and you're going to run up. So mountain climbers is you're bringing your legs in towards your chest. We've got 20 here. Coming on to your side, we're going to be doing some side plank holds. So usually with side planks, you would do the dips and then come back up. But for this exercise, we are going to be holding it. So this is perfect for the obliques. Really feel that burn. Keep your body up, keep your waist up. You don't want your midsection to sink down, okay? Focus on that. Engage your core. We've got 30 seconds on each side.
Things you could never understand. She made you fall in love with no regrets. She made you find out what's happiness. She made you understand what's magic. She made you find out love is not tragic. And now we are just waiting for a change. We both know love is a waiting game. Imagine everything we can make. Smile on your face, know how it's gonna break. If there's something I could do to get you right here in my bed, I would die 100 times to make you get out of my head. You're the happy and the sadness. You just make me come alive. I will make you smile forever, but it's not loving each other till. If there's something I could do to get you right here in my bed, I would die 100 times to make you get out.
Lower your body back down towards the mat for some rainbow planks. Come down into the plank position. You're on your forearms for this one, and we are going to rock from side to side, lowering down our midsection. Keep your back nice and flat. Try not to poke out that booty. Get into a nice breathing pattern, and we've got 20 reps here.
Take you in places, don't turn on the lights. Stars in the sky that are shining for us. We both know that it's all about trust. You make me believe in something that I don't know what it is, but I can't get enough. When I'm with you, I just need your love. You just became my favorite drug.
Go ahead and lower your knees onto the ground, and we're going to be doing some bird dogs. So for this exercise, extend opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time, tuck them back in for a full crunch, and extend out again. We're going to be doing 20 on each side.
save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control over lights in the space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder.
All right, go ahead and lie back down on the mat. We're gonna be doing some side V-ups. So for this exercise, you kind of wanna angle your body a little bit. One arm goes down on the ground for a little bit of support. Legs go out and they stay out. You don't wanna bend your knees. And you're going to bring those legs up to that opposite arm. We're gonna do 10 on each side. This is a perfect for oblique crunches, you guys.
You take away my breath now, boy. Don't you dare steal my heart now, boy. I know you're something that I'll enjoy. Move a little bit closer now, to some place where there ain't no crowds. I wanna get to know you right here and now. I got trapped in your touch the moment you took my hand.
This is a new one that I'm adding into our routine, weather vane. So for this exercise, you want to go ahead and come down onto the mat. Knees are down, arms are down as well. You're kind of in the bird dog position. But for this exercise, instead of tucking and crunching, we're going to sway our opposite arm and opposite leg in and out. Kind of like you're a flag, right? Leg goes out, arm goes out, and then you bring it back in using those obliques and that core strength. This exercise is so good. You should feel the burn. I was a little bit shaky, honestly. We're gonna do 10 on each side. Let's get it. Lying down flat on the mat again. We're going to do some dead bugs. Knees come up above you, or legs come up above you. You're going to bend your knees. You're going to keep your arms right above you as well. And you're going to lower one arm and one leg down, opposite arm and opposite leg, and then bring them back up. Focus on engaging your core here, you guys, and get into a good breathing pattern. We've got 20. When you get into a good breathing pattern, you guys, it really does help the exercise work more effectively. So as you breathe in and out, you're actually helping your workout be more beneficial to you. So you're going to get a better burn, you're going to get a deeper crunch, and all that good stuff.
Like, what did this all mean? If there's no tomorrow, oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me.
Moving into planks with knee taps, go ahead and come down onto your forearms and get into the plank position, and then go ahead and lower your knees down for a nice easy tap. Once you bring your body back up though, readjust into the plank position. So that's flat back and tucked in booty, okay? We're gonna do 20 reps of this.
Oh, you know, you find a purpose, you, oh, you know. Like we all don't know, glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. We try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know.
Go ahead and switch over. Back on our backs for some heel taps. You guys know this one. Tuck your chin up, shoulders come off the mat, and you're going to shift your body from side to side to meet your thumbs with your heels. We've got 20 here.
To drive me, to guide me, oh doctor, I feel dead inside. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life. To drive me, to guide me, oh doctor, I feel dead inside.
moving into forearm plank roll. For this exercise, go ahead and get into the plank position on your forearms, and we are going to switch from side to side, raising up that opposite arm into the sky. We're going to do 20 reps here. All right, and last but not least, we're going to be doing some lying oblique crunches. I love this exercise, you guys. This is a great way to finish it off. And for this exercise, you're going to go ahead and lie flat on your side, and you're going to bring your hand behind your head, crunch that knee to that elbow, and really push your upper body into that knee. Crunch as hard as you can, basically, to where you can feel the rolls happening. The rolls are real, okay? We've got 20 on each side. Go ahead and enjoy it. Finish this off, push yourself, and I hope you love that burn. Great job today. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. If you did, don't forget, leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button. I will see you guys tomorrow for some booty. All right. I'll see you guys there. Bye.